In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timesheet reports in Jira using the ActivityTimeline app. If you've been looking for a way to manage and log work efficiently, this tool could be a game changer for your team. Let's dive into the process of setting it up and making the most of its features. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is add the ActivityTimeline app to your Jira environment. Begin by navigating to the left panel within your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll see a menu option titled Apps. Go ahead and click on this. Doing so will allow you to access a variety of add-ons and extensions available for Jira. Once you've opened the Apps menu, your next step is to explore more apps. You'll find a link or button that says Explore More Apps. Click on that, and you will be taken to a broader marketplace of apps. This marketplace is where you can find the ActivityTimeline app, among others. In the search bar, type in ActivityTimeline and hit Enter to locate the app. When the search results appear, you'll see ActivityTimeline listed there. Click on it to proceed to its app page. This page is jam-packed with useful information about the app, including a detailed description, key features, and user reviews. Taking a moment to look through these can give you a good sense of how others are using the app and what benefits it might bring to your workflow. Located on the top right corner of this page, there is an option to either install the app or try it for free. This is the point where you decide how you'd like to proceed. Clicking on either option will initiate an installation process, which involves some authentication steps and connecting the app to your specific Jira site. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now that you've successfully installed ActivityTimeline, you'll want to access it to start creating your timesheet reports. Return to the left panel where you originally found the Apps menu. Click on ActivityTimeline and then select Reports from the options that appear. This section is where the magic happens. You'll find a variety of report types available, allowing you to generate timesheets that meet your specific needs. And that's it. You've now integrated a powerful tool into your Jira setup that can enhance how you log work and track time. Whether you're managing a team or tracking your personal workload, the ActivityTimeline app provides a streamlined and effective approach to timesheet reporting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.